is she? Oh. Okay, where should I put you? Okay. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys for that. We're not there yet. Thank you for 4,000 subscribers. Well, like probably like more than that. But like it's just like love y'all so much. And like just like a week ago, we were at like 200 subscribers. But yeah, this is the first squishy. I have to hurry this video, so it's probably gonna be a speed run. It's like this little capybara. And then I have this dog. It's like a dog. You see his little like, and it's air. Not the best squishy. Get out. Get out. Wait, I'm gonna put, I have like, wait, I have some, sorry, 1 second. Okay, I need to build this 1 second. Okay, then we have this s'more. Yes, it comes apart. This sand. Squishy. This like mochi type thing. This, the marshmallow. And then the bottom. Oh, baby! Come here! Oh, you're so cute! Are you scared? What's wrong? Oh, hi. Oh, God, you're so cute. I'm about to sneeze right now. Okay, that's that. Oh, you want to see what I'm doing? Yeah, come here. Wait, should we do this one next? Yeah. Then we have this squid, sand squishy. Oh, you just want to be in the video, right? You just want to be in the video. Sand squid. I got it from Five Below. Lexi. Lexi. Do you want to be the star of the video? Or what? Sorry guys, there's like so much comments because I did this like Claim Your Summer Fridays video. This is like a fake butter that I made. But yeah. I have this little foam lamb. Let me get all of them. Wait. Okay, I don't know if you know these girls, but there's these girls that they're like, shut up and listen to some squishy ASMR. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Shut up and listen to some squishy ASMR. Sorry if you can't hear it because my sister's TV watching Salish and the doll in the background. These are so good. They're like these little like cubes. So good for like a school fidget. Just small and yeah. Popsicle. I need to hurry this up. Cheese. Water squishy. Love this one. This capybara. This like Taba that my friend just gave to me for free. It's like a cute little bunny. Oh my god. Oh, the duck. Wait. Oh my god, I need the air out of this so bad. Duck. So good. Hey, I think the dog some hair loss. Carrot. Kaden. So I have this. I have to hurry. Sorry. Sneedo. This. That. Popsicle. Nido dog. A pug. Nido pizza. This. Oh yeah, just saying. I traded this for the butter. Like, isn't it so good? No. 2 Squishmallows. Snowball. Nido. Wait. Snowball. Nido. Dream Drop. Fuzzball. These random slow rising ones. This, it's like, has some squishy insides. 1 second. Mochis. This. Have a banana. I'm sorry, 1 second, I'm sorry. This axolotl. This monster. Basketball. Mochi. 2 Taba paw prints. This. Good. These slow rising. And this slow rising. That right there is my squishy haul. Hope you liked it, because I love all these squishies. Another hair. Bye guys.